Welcome back. In our previous session, we had already started talking about extending a template where we saw that we are able to put together the code blocks that are common on all the pages so that we control them in a single file as opposed to each of the templates that we have. Okay, so that is where we introduced the base.html, and in here we are able to house the code that is common on all the pages. And better still, on the same file, we are also able to define blocks that will now be fed into the different templates containing the unique content of those particular templates. All right. So in today's session, we are going to go through what we did to the index.html and apply the same to the about.html so that we are able to appreciate this concept. All right. So let's see how that goes. So onto my terminal here, I'll activate the virtual environment, start the local server, and access it on the browser. Okay, so in here I should be able to navigate to about us, remember, but then we see that about us has some tag missing. We need to do something here. We need to load static. Okay, well, so we'll need to reload that. Okay, and we see that we are able to have a view of the about us. Okay, but so the question is, when we want to say click on about us, we see that down here we are not able to reload the same page because it has another URL. Similarly, if you want to go back home, we get a drop down which is not there in the home page. Again, if we hover on the logo, we see that the link that we get down here is not valid. All right, but when we are in the home page, we are able to reload the home page. We are also able to click on the logo and the page refreshes. All right, if we click on about us, we are taken there, but if we click on about, actually the name has already changed, so we need to adjust the about us.html so that we receive what we have received in the index.html. So what we need to do is we need to apply the extend template concept and remove the common blocks of code that have already been registered in the base.html. Okay, so in here I'll remove the first few blocks. Then remember what we did to the header. We talked of block title. I believe that's what we called it. Let me counter check. Okay, we talked of block title, so we still need to use that here. It's around about us. Okay, then we do not need this. So the next thing is removing all the CSS links together with the header, with the body tag, with this div as well. We need to remove that. All right, then let's identify this section here. So we have the banner. Let me collapse that because we don't need this as well. Remove that. Then the header, we also don't need the header here, so remove that as well. That should be taken care of in the base.html. So I believe that's enough for that section. So I believe the code below here is unique to the about.html. So I will introduce some block here. Talk about block content. Remember, this name comes from what we have down here. Okay, so there are these blocks that we introduced that are supposed to house the unique content for that particular page. All right, so I will do that, cut that, should cut the end block. then move to almost the end of this page. Okay, so for now, I'll press it down here. But remember, we also have the footer section here. So I need to remove the footer as well. Okay, so the footer starts somewhere here, footer area. So we are going to collapse that and collapse that as well. So we do not need this. Okay, better still, we also have something else here. Remove that. Then we also have the logo area, which I believe this is the footer section as well. So we are gonna remove that as well. So let's see. Okay, so once I collapse that, I'm able to see where that div starts and where it ends. So I can comfortably remove that. Okay, then let me see. So we also don't need these JavaScript files, the end body tag and the end HTML tag. So we don't need that as well. All right. So if we go back, reload, we have lost the styling and we need to do something. So let's go back to the top and extend that HTML. Okay, so let me just create a mistake here so that we can then correct that. So if you talk of extends base.html, so I have added that as the second line. So the question is that correct? So I'll go back to the template, reload, and I'll get such an error. Okay, so should you get such an error, just know that extends should be the very first line. Okay, so just a matter of coming back here, moving up, pressing it as the very first line. Then we come back here and reload. Okay, this is about us. We are able to see that, and also the navigation bar here, and everything else works as expected. So if we try to go back home, we see that we are able to go back home from about us page. Similarly, let me go back to about us and try to click on the logo. We see now the navigation bar is now being taken care of in the base.html. And of course, all these other pages should inherit the base.html so that you can have a smooth navigation between your pages. And whenever you want to make any updates, you can always do the common updates in the base.html. All right. So for now, we are able to do that. And remember, the way we achieved this navigation from home to about us. Let me just take you back a little bit. So in the URLs, let me see. So we have this particular name. Okay, so these are the names that we are going to use to call the different pages that we have. For instance, from the base.html, we want to ensure that these links work. For instance, let me check on a page. I have the blog, so I can as well make sure that the blog works. Okay, blog here doesn't take us to the blog page. So in here, we are being taken to blog.html. So to make that work, we go back to the base. Okay, then we look for blog. And for this case, .html. All right. So in here, I have this section here where I just remove that in the href and now talk of URL, and there is this tag. Okay. Then there is this name that we gave to the path for the blog. Okay. We give it blog as the name. So the same name, we bring it here. All right. So let's go back to our page. Go back home, reload. Then if we hover on blog, we are taken to the blog page. Of course, for now, we haven't worked on the styling yet, but that's simply how to add a navigation to another page. And similarly, we have this home page, which we said we have some two options. Okay, one, looking at the path to the home page, we have given it the name index. Okay, so we can still make use of this name so that whenever we click on home, we are redirected to the home page. So back to the base.html, looking at, let's see, home. Okay, so this is one of the options, and it's actually the recommended one, where you just pass in a forward slash. So that will always redirect you to the home page. The other option is using URL, the URL tag, okay, then giving it the name that you have given the path here. Okay, so once you do that, reload, and whenever you click on home, it should always redirect you to the home page. And the same thing should apply to the page logo. All right, so we can make use of what we have here, or just have a forward slash. That's good enough to take you to the home page. All right.